paper clips with unicorns, a huge cloudy protractor, a giant magical pen, and an enormous glue stick with a rainbow effect? Find out how to make giant unicorn school supplies in our new video. Unicorn needs paper clips, but it looks like she needs tissues more. Achoo! Unicorn's magical sneeze turns a regular paperclip into a giant one. Trace a square template with round corners on a foam rubber sheet. Cut out a few pieces of different colors. Hot glue unicorn features made out of a glittering foam rubber sheet and paper, ears, horn, mane, glasses, and cheeks. Decorate it with glittering stars and flowers. Draw eyes with a marker. Paint hearts on the cheeks. Make more unicorn faces the same way. Attach different decorations and draw different facial expressions. Shape colored wire to make a big paperclip. And hot glue it to the unicorn muzzle. Wow! Unicorn can easily turn a plain paperclip into a self-portrait. Or maybe unicorns are just allergic to human school supplies. Let's test our theory. Dolly summons a magical sneeze with a feather. It worked! A regular paperclip turns into a gigantic one again, and it also has a unicorn face. Miss Smith needs to witness this experiment. The formula works. A magical sneeze plus a regular paperclip equals a maxi unicorn paperclip. This magical paperclip will make a nice bookmark. I love this school! Classes with unicorn are never boring. The girls are having a lot of fun right now. Catapult! A ruler duel? Invasions of hostile notebooks? Miss Smith is tired of battling her disobedient students. The teacher goes to great lengths to get their attention. Where is my giant rainbow protractor? Cut a protractor out of thick cardboard. Trace the protractor on a white foam rubber sheet, leaving some broad edges for fastening. Draw triangles. Cut them out. Hot glue the foam rubber sheet to the cardboard piece. Color the protractor with acrylic paints. Paint a rainbow. Coat the bottom part of the protractor with a light color. Cut clouds out of white and glittering foam rubber sheets. Draw a unicorn on a piece of white cardboard. Color it with acrylic paints. Hot glue the clouds and the unicorn to the protractor. Draw ruler hatch marks with a marker. The students are mesmerized by the shining rainbow. What a heavenly protractor! Miss Smith knows all the tips and tricks on how to make students learn geometry. The angle from the rainbow to the clouds is 90 degrees. Now even Unicorn knows that. Unicorn snuck a giant pen into class. It's made out of cosmic clouds. Dolly wants to use it right away. Cut a pool noodle into 2 pieces. Shape the smaller piece into a cone. Cut it across. Stick it in a marker. Hot glue it to fasten. Cover the piece with metallic cardboard. Coat the long part of the pool noodle with acrylic paints. Decorate it with stars. Put kinetic sand and glitter into a My bottle. Hot glue the tip of the giant marker to the cap of the bottle. Cover the visible part of the cap with the metallic cardboard. Attach the colored pool noodle to the bottom of the bottle. Cover the joint with a strip of cardboard. Shape a piece of cardboard into a clip on the pen. Cover the top with a strip of cardboard too. What is Dolly drawing so enthusiastically? This is a funny portrait of Miss Smith. How adorable! But once Dolly signs the portrait, something mind-blowing happens. Dolly and Miss Smith swap bodies. Oh my goodness! Now that's a twist! Dolly doesn't want to be a teacher, and Miss Smith can't see without her glasses. Ew! Why do I have pigtails? What's going on here? Who did this? This is the work of the Maxi Rainbow Pen. It turned out to be magical. We need to return the bodies to where they belong right now. If the pen is magical, then it should fix the portrait. But trying to turn the magic back doesn't work. Well, we'll have to get used to the bodies we have now. Poor Dolly! She doesn't deserve this adult blazer. Miss Smith is in her student's body, but she's still a teacher deep inside. I need to pull myself together and finish the class. Take a crayon and draw a figure. I just need to put my unruly bangs away. The girls complete their task. All the students have plain crayons, but Unicorn has a giant one. Hot glue a piece of plastic to make a cone. Completely cover the tip. Cut off the excess plastic. Finely chop crayons and melt them in a microwave. Pour the melted wax into the cone layer by layer. Take the cone out of the mold when it solidifies. Color the ends of a pool noodle with acrylic paints. Print out a big rainbow Crayola label and hot glue it to the center of the pool noodle. Fasten the wax tip with hot glue. Let's try out the giant crayon in action. It works great! What if it helps break the spell? Dolly in Miss Smith's body draws with the giant crayon and makes a wish. But it's all for nothing. Miss Smith's body sits at the desk and doesn't want to go away. It's such a pity that the magic didn't work. Unicorn sees that Dolly and Miss Smith are sad. Living in someone else's body is so uncomfortable. So Unicorn tries out one more magical life hack. She invents a giant notebook. Wrap bookboard in a white foam rubber sheet. Color the cover of the notebook with acrylic paints. Add a title with gold paint. Paint a unicorn muzzle. Decorate the background with stars and embellish the unicorn with a foam rubber sheet crown. Attach decorative flowers. Make a stack of big colored sheets of paper. Cover the first sheet with stickers. Assemble the notebook. Make holes with a hole puncher. Connect the sheets with a ribbon. Dolly in Miss Smith's body almost gets squished by a block of paper. This notebook is enormous. Unicorn's idea is simple and brilliant. In order to break the spell, you don't have to write with a big pen in a little notebook, it's vice versa. Open the giant notebook and write with a little pen. Dolly draws a self-portrait and a miracle happens. The bodies return to their original owners. What a nice surprise! Nail polish is back where it belongs. The hairdo is all right. We need to continue the class because you can still write a ton of useful things in this giant notebook and add fun stickers. Miss Smith is busy making a collage entitled The World of Hearts. Even Unicorn's raised hand doesn't distract her. Fine. I bet the teacher will notice a giant rainbow glue stick for sure. Cut a circle out of cardboard. Cut a ventilation pipe. Cover one side of the smaller piece with the cardboard circle. Cut off a piece of pipe insulation and cut it across. Hot glue it into the pipe. Cover it with the cap. Coat the maxi tube with spray acrylic paint. Apply white paint with a sponge. Attach a printed rainbow label. Decorate the cap with a glittering foam rubber sheet stars. Make slime. Mix slime glue with gel laundry detergent. And squeeze out shaving foam. Knead the slime. Color it with acrylic paints. Put them into Ziploc bags. And put them into the maxi glue tube. Take slimes out of the bags before using. Unicorn easily turns a regular glue stick into a rainbow delight. Miss Smith is beyond happy. Bright slimes pour out of the giant tube. You can stretch a rainbow right in your palms. Thanks for this amazing gift, Unicorn! Did you like our giant rainbow school supplies? Then write in the comments what unicorn school supply you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow ideas for unicorn on Troom.